In this short video, I'll be showing you the copy grading command, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. The copy grading command allows you to actually copy a grading from one object to another. So in this case here, I have a pond that's already graded, and then I can see over here I've got a polyline. And I'm going to copy this grading over to this grading. To demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D ribbon. Then we're going to come over here to the surface and grading panel, and then we're going to select on the copy grading. Click on that. The command line says select your grading, so we're going to select this grading first. Then it says select entity or multiple, so I'm going to select on this polyline. Then it's asking which side do we want to grade, so we'll grade to the outside. Then it says pick your start point, or you can press enter for the entire length. I'm going to press enter, and there you can see it's graded. Well, now I want to copy the inside of this pond over to this polyline. So we're going to come back up here to the ribbon. We're going to select copy grading. I'm going to select the inside of this pond this time. Then I'm going to select the polyline again. I'm going to pick the inside, and I'm going to say all the way around. I press enter. As we can see here in the 3D view, it has graded the polyline both the inside and the outside. This concludes this short video on copy grading. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.